Sit in a comfortable position. Back and spine straight. Neck and shoulders completely relaxed. Hands in Gyan Mudra. Eyes gently close. Face with your most pleasant and a peaceful smile. Inhale. Energies in. Exhale. All your stress, all your anxieties out. Inhale. Peace and positivity in. Exhale. All the noises and the negativities out. Inhale. Love and compassion for all. Exhale. All your grudges, all your egos out. Let's start the session with deep breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Long and deep inhale. Slow and complete exhale. Omkar chanting 3 times. Inhale. Inhale. Longer and louder. Inhale. Feel the vibrations and the energies of Omkar in your complete body and mind, and try to maintain the same physical mental strength throughout your practice, bringing both your palms together. Gently rub them. Place it on your eyes. Blink your eyes inside your palms. Very gently open them, looking into your palms. Happy morning once again. Let's start, everyone. Start the session with Kapalbhati. 1 round, 100 strokes. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Start your strokes. Nice and forceful active exhalation. After every 30, increase the pace, increase the intensity. Spine straight, shoulders relaxed, face calm and composed. Last 30, more intense, more focused. Slow down. Complete exhale. Inhale. Lock your breath in, chin to chest lock. Jalandhar Band for 20. Release your lock. Gentle exhale and relax. Ready for Bhastrika? Open your both legs, everyone. So the pelvic push-ups for everyone today. So placing both your palms in front of your thighs, shoulder distance apart, shoulders back, chest out. Go this much, but go correctly. Okay? So inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. And those who are comfortable, go as deep as possible. Elbow should not open sideways. Chaliye, let's start. Toes inside stretch, पैरों के पंजे अंदर खींच के रखें. नित्या जी, while going down, see the toes are relaxing. नीचे जा रहे हो आपके साथ. Keep your toes inside stretch, everyone. नीलम शाह, ये हो रहा है. While you are going down, it should be this and go down. That's why I said go less but go correct. हल्का जाओ, धीरे जाओ, but correctly जाइए. Janani, you are also shrinking your shoulder while going down. Shoulder should be dropped down, dropped back. Last 5. 4. अश्विनी जी, हाथों में शोल्डर जितना गैप रखो. 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come back and relax. Relaxation with the butterfly knee press and pull. 2, 3, 4, 5. चलो जी, back to the same position. आज इसी position में we'll be doing our initial warm up. Okay? So holding your knees or placing your palms on your shin. Just start with the neck stretches, right to left. So with every exhale, look at your right shoulder. Inhale, center. Exhale to your left. Shall we continue? 1, 2, 3. Spine straight. 4. Keep pushing your hip down to lengthen your spine upward. 6. And hold. While holding, same upward stretch and hold. ऊपर की ओर देखते हुए hold करेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to center. Inhale. Exhale. Other side. Stretch up and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. Back to center. Now neck and ankle rotation both together. ठीक है जी? So गर्दन का rotation करेंगे, साथ ही साथ toes का भी, ankle का भी rotation करेंगे. Okay? चलो let's start. 1, 2. Inhale back, exhale front. 3. Counter. Rotation of your ankle should be changed. 3, 2. 1. Slowly release and relax. Stretching both your arms in shoulder line. Lock your wrist and start with the wrist rotation. As the final pose which we are practicing today, it requires a good amount of arm strength also, guys. So एक पूरा sequence हमारी arms के लिए रहने वाला है आज के session में. 4, 5, 6. Counter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Palms up side. Now with elbow, ankle stretch in and out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now Now outside stretch and start with the rotation. Toes plantar flex. बाहर की ओर खींच के रखे पैरों के पंजे. 1, 2. Spine straight, spine straight. 3, 4, 5. Counter. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to center. Now, if your body allows, पैरों को थोड़ा और खींचो. Okay? चलो. Again, stretching your both arms in shoulder line. Ready for the twisting with right hand locking your left heel, left hand locking your right heel, and the another hand will be wrapping behind your back. Chalo. Continue. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look front, look 5, front. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Chalo ji. For holding, back to the center. Holding with forward side stretch. Stretch your arms up. Inhale. Exhale. Lengthening your spine. Lock your big toes to your one side. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Those who require a strap, use a strap. Chaliye. Continue. 2, 3, 4, 5. Elbow straight, elbow bend. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And hold. Go maximum down with a strap, without a strap. Keep walking on your belt. And hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. Come up. Placing both your hands back. Fingers back side. Shoulders roll back. Big cow arch. Look up and hold. Toes pointed out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slowly release. Inhale. Stretch your arms. Exhale. Lengthening your spine to the other side. Same dynamic movement. Up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And hold. Holding everyone. Go maximum down. Try to touch your elbows. 1. Look at the big toes. 2, 3. Jolly good, 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 Sapna ji. 4. Try to hold toes inside a stretch. 5, 6. Inhale. Gently come back. Now placing your hands in front of your thighs. Hunch and hold. Look down. Round your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slowly release and relax. Locking both your hands backside. Ready for the side stretches. So drop your elbow behind your thighs with every exhale. Inhale, center. Exhale to the sides. Chali, continue. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 11, 12. Toes inside stretched. 13. Lateral stretch, Janani. Why are you bending forward? 15. Spine back, shoulders back. 17, 18, 19, 20. Chalo. Now going one side, maximum side stretch. After that, release your lower hand, stretch it out. And it should follow the hip line. तो न हाथ आपका पैर की तरफ जाए, न हिप के पीछे जाए. So following the hip line, stretch your hand maximum, keep lengthening, keep lengthening, keep lengthening. If this is your limit, holding your rested palm on fingertips, stretch your arm up and look up. Chaliye, hold it. 1, 2, 3. Keep sliding with your fingertips. 4, 5, 6. Inhale, gently come up. Now after coming at the center, stretch your arm, lock your big toe. Okay, same side. Now dropping your elbow in front of your knee, again go for the side stretches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And hold. Dropping your elbow in front of the knee. Open your chest maximum. Release your lock. Lock your foot this way. And then release your hand. Lock it. Those who are not able to lock the foot with the other hand, they will be locking it with the strap. And hold. Look up and hold. 1, 2. This movement, this shoulder rotation is very important for the peak pose today. Okay, so make sure you become comfortable with this. 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, back to center. Now the final stretch for the same side. Then we'll repeat the sequence other side. अभी सभी ने स्ट्रैप बांधना है अपने सेम लेग में. ठीक है जी? So lock your foot with your strap. Now holding your strap as close as possible. जितना नजदीक उतना better rotation. जितना दूर उतना easy rotation. Okay? So if you want to check your shoulder mobility, try to hold your belt. 1 foot is enough. ठीक है? 1 से 1.5 feet आप hold कर सकते हैं. ठीक है? Same. Lengthening your spine to the one side. Taking your hand. Go as down as possible. Your forearm should be rested on the floor. अभी जिनका forearm जमीन पे नहीं touch होगा, what they will be doing? They will be placing the forearm on the block. आप block से अपनी height बढ़ाइए. Okay? Now when we are holding, the belt is in front of the chest. When we are rotating, it is going back and elbow getting straight. So inhale और नीचे जा सकते हो, अच्छी बात है. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay? Chalo. Continue. Do the rotation. Forearm should be grounded. हाथ आपका किसी का भी नहीं उठे ऊपर. Try to lock the belt as down as possible. 1. For giving height, we have taken block. आप 2 block रखिए, but make sure आपका forearm पूरे टाइम जमीन पे टच रहे या block पे टच रहे. 2. While holding, elbow bend. While rotating, elbow should come straight. 3. Chalo ji. Inhale out, exhale, release. May hold your belt a little closer. I said 1 foot or 1.5 foot, not more than that. 5, 6, 7. And hold. Holding with the rotation. So this is our position. Rotate. Now finally, keep going down on your strap. Strap, strap. जितना नीचे जा सकते हैं जाएं and try to lock your big toe. After that, open your chest, look up and hold. चलो जी, this is the final holding this side. Keep walking down on your strap. अनु जी, पहुंचो पैर के पंजे तक. Walk करो बेल्ट पे सभी लोग. And it keep moving down on your strap. 1, 2, 3. Good, Nirmala ji. 4. Raji, chest more open. 5. Good, Priya ji. 6. Vijay Lakshmi ji, चलिए चलिए hold करिए. 8. बहुत बड़ा दिवानी जी. 9. Good, Rupa ji. Good, Pal ji. Good, Rajeshwari. 10. Slowly release. Punita, why the elbow is bent while in the final hold has it and the belt also this much distance? पहुंच जाओगे आप आराम से. चलिए जी, come out. Just sliding your heel in and out to relax your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. चलो जी, side stretch, holding. So lengthening your spine to the one side. Stretch your arm, following the hip line, go down, down, down. Finally open your chest, look up and hold. Toes inside a stretch. Chali, hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, come up. Keeping your both back hand locked only. Now lengthen your spine, lock your big toe, dropping your elbow. Again, go for the side stretch. Elbow straight, elbow drop. 1, 2. Elbow should be dropped in front of the knee, not behind. 3, 4. Chale, good Dipali. 5, 6. Chalo. After dropping, lock your foot, open your chest maximum still when the hand is locked, and then finally release, look up and hold. If you cannot hold, use a strap for the holding here. Rashmi ji, strap use karo. 1. So that at least you can move down, you can stretch your body with the help of your strap. 2, 3. नेहा गुप्ता बढ़ो धीरे धीरे स्ट्रैप पे. 4. प्रीति जी चलिए पोजीशन. 5, 6. Inhale, gently come up. Now to work on your shoulder rotation, shift your strap from one leg to another. Okay. Now the same hand, lengthen forward, rest your forearm. Locking your strap in front of your chest, in front of your face, distance on belt according to your comfort, comfort of your shoulder opening. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, for holding, keep walking down, keep walking down. Try to reach to your big toe, look up and hold. Okay, chalo, take your position. Forearm should be rested this time. फोरआर्म आपका जमीन पे लगा रहे सभी का. एल्बो टू palm should be locked on the floor. For that you can keep block. चलिए continue. Rotation start. 1. पुनीता, while you are rotating, our elbows are getting straight. क्या तकलीफ आ रही है इसमें? When starting, elbow bend. While rotating, elbow gets straight. 4. If the hands are sliding, what did I say? Always wrap your belt around your palm so that it doesn't slip on the strap. 5. रश्मि जी ये नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम रोटेशन कर रहे हैं. Where is your strap? रश्मि जोशी, we need a strap for this. 6. चलिए holding time, final rotation. Now start walking down. चलिए जी, नित्या जी. चलिए सीमा जी. May walk down on your strap. Good Vijaya ji. Yeah, keep walking, keep sliding forward. Intensify your forward bend. जितना आगे जाओगे उतना आपका holding will be easier. So take your body as down as possible to the floor. Chaliye, stay there. 1. नेहा गुप्ता, ओ काफी close कोशिश करो. 3. Good Payal ji. 4, 5, 6. Inhale, very gently come up and relax. Chalo ji. Now the final workout for your core. So release your strap. Core with the compression. And no discount. Everybody will be using both legs today. Okay. So leg position can be centered or open, depends on your comfort. If you are opening your leg mat distance apart, hands at the center, shoulders back, hunch your back and lift. Okay, ji? 10 times. Same way, if you are keeping your feet at the center, hands beside your both knees, same, shoulders roll, hunch back and lift. The body angle should be less than 90. Chalo, take your position. We'll be doing 10 core compression. It is going to work on your quadriceps also. ठीक है जी? So 10 करेंगे 5-5 के 2 सेट में. चलो, because it is really challenging. So everyone, lock your body front side. कविता जी, elbows straight रहेंगे इसमें. Elbows bend नहीं होंगे. तभी तो you are lifting your shoulder. The cat hunch, everyone. How do you do cat and cow hunch? Same, shoulder blades lifted, round your back. Chalo, start everyone. With every inhale, lift your legs up. श्वेता जी, हाथ पीछे नहीं, हाथ या तो घुटनों के साइड में या शिन के साइड में रखो. फीट टू विजयलक्ष्मी जी, अगर फीट टुगेदर है तो फीट टुगेदर रखिए, और अगर ओपन है तो हाथों को सेंटर में रखिए. 4 5 चलिए, गुड सीमा जी. 6 गुड विभा जी. प्रिया जी, पीछे जा रहे हो, पीछे जा रहे हो. And we have to lift it. Don't just throw your legs. सब उठा उठा के पटक रहे हैं heels को. With control, with control. बस 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 नित्या जी, last 2. चलिए. 10. Slowly. रूपा जी, घुटने बैंड हैं आपके. And relax, 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 relax. Tapping. Okay. चलो जी. The final holding, same, wide-legged boat. So stretching your arms front, lean your body and stretch. Legs open. While holding the wide boat, this is not compulsory. Those who can do this movement, you can do. जिनको नहीं करना है, just hold it here. And you can do the leg movement. Okay, so these 2 variations are there. So first, it is a wide-legged boat. Either you go the chopping or you go with the scissors. ठीक है? चलो, take your position. We'll be holding for 20. चलो, stretch everyone. Take your basic position. Lift your legs. Wide legs, wide legs. चलो, start. 20 counts will be holding the dynamic movement according to your comfort. हाँ, Parirajan ji, while moving your hands, your legs should be very stable. See? It's only the upper body. The legs are stable. So you cannot move your legs. चलिए, गुड बनेगा. And सुरेन जी, जब ये हो रहा है तो ये नहीं होगा. It should be only again legs. When you are doing this, upper body is stable. Only the legs are moving. 60. Good, Bhavita ji. 70. 80, 90. Good, Devani ji. 20. Guys, 20 बहुत जल्दी हुए. 5 more, 5 more. मैं मुझे लगा ही नहीं कि 20 हो गए. चलो, 5 more. 5. Go slow, go slow. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release and relax. Forward counter stretch. 2, 4, 5. Inhale, come back. Chalo ji. Without any support, get up from your mat, and we'll be doing 5 rounds of Surya Namaskar. In the 4th round, we'll be having more variations for preparing your body for the final pose. Okay? Chalo, let's start. Inhale, exhale, 1. So Vidya ji, get up for the sun salutation. Inhale, 2. Exhale, 3. Inhale, 4. Exhale, 5. Inhale, exhale, 6. Inhale, 7. Exhale, 8. Inhale, 9. Exhale, 10. Inhale, 11. 11. Exhale, 12. Round 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lalita ji, still the Ashtanga Namaskar is not perfect. 9, 10, 11, 12, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and relax. As in round 4, there will be few chair practices. So keep your chair ready, guys. सभी ने chair रख लेना है अपना सामने. Okay. Now in this round, we'll be having few variation and we'll prepare our body for the final asana. Okay. चलो जी. So let's start. Chair की तरफ face करेंगे सभी. 1, 2, and resting your heel in the third position on your chair. So first we'll be working on the hamstring. रखिए सभी अपने left leg का heel. Right leg down, left leg lifted. Now exhale, lengthen your spine. Holding the backrest if you are reaching, side rest or the seat. So according to your comfort, you will be holding the chair at 3 different places. Seat पकड़िए, side rest पकड़िए या फिर backrest पकड़िए. चलो let's start. Inhale up, exhale down, heel rested, toes pointed out. विभा जी पैर का पंजा ऊपर की ओर छत की तरफ. Only heel is resting, guys. चलिए continue. Inhale up, exhale down. 1, 2, 3. Guys, the heel should be on the edge. Seat पे नहीं रखिए. किंजल जी पीछे लो, बिल्कुल edge पे रखो. हाँ, चेयर का जो edge है वहां पे होगी सभी की heel. 5. Janani, you hold the seat. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly release. Now, coming into the kneeling position. The leg will be upside. ये घुटना bend करो और घुटने पे आ जाओ सभी नीचे. Yes, पीछे आओ. The leg should be straight. ऊपर वाला पैर उसी position में. Just we are resting our leg into the kneeling position. Now the same practice. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Exhale, lengthen your spine. Hold the seat. Up and down movement. Chalo. More locking this time. Inhale up, exhale down. 1. शैलजा जी सीट पकड़ के रखना है. We are not releasing our hands again and again. 3. अश्विनी घुटना सीधा ऊपर वाला. Don't bend your knee. 4. नीलम शाह अश्विनी पैर थोड़ा पीछे लीजिए. बिल्कुल एज पे रखो. चेयर के किनारे पे रखो हील को. 5, 6, 7. Slowly release. Now here it's time to open your pelvic. सीधे खड़े हो जाओ. हाँ, open your pelvic, turning your back foot little in. Clear? चलो, lengthen your spine, locking your foot. चलो, start with the side stretching. 1, 2. Hold your big toe. 3. Those who require a strap, अश्विनी पैर नहीं पकड़ में आ रहा है, स्ट्रैप से पकड़ो पैर को. 5, 6. And hold. While holding, lock your ankle. नीचे से वाले हाथ से पहले ankle को lock करो. हाँ, चलो keep going. Try to reach. All those who can reach, try to lock it. चलिए stay there. Chest more open. 1. Good. Babita ji almost there. Fingers बढ़ाओ बस थोड़ी सी. बस बढ़िया. Don't release now. 2. Punita chest open. 3. Jyoti ji chest open. Body आगे नहीं झुकाओ. Open करो towards the ceiling. 4, 5, and 6. Slowly release and relax again, turning your pelvic. चलो जी, आ जाओ सभी, आगे वाला पैर नीचे रखो and take your अश्व संचालन as we are in सूर्य नमस्कार. So अश्व संचालन with आंजनेयासन and push your pelvic down. जितना पुश कर सकते हो करो धीरे धीरे. Hold for here, hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. चलो जी, 5. Now for plank will be again climbing on the chair. So body को turn करिए इस side, पैर chair के ऊपर, हाथ जमीन पर. Coming on the chair, be on the edge, be on the edge. एक step और आगे लो, body में, हाँ थोड़ा shift करो, hip बहुत ऊपर है, नहीं ये आगे लो एक हाथ, हाँ चलो जी, holding the plank. चलिए चलिए Mr. Ram, take your position. 10 counts. 1. ज्योति जी बिल्कुल चेयर के किनारे पे रखने पैर. 3, 4. नीलम शाह hip down, hip down. 6, 7. Good आशीष जी. 8. मनोज चित्रा hip down. 9, 10. Now slowly release, dropping your knees down. Now it's time to take Ashtang Namaskar. Before that we'll be coming into Parighasan. So लगाइए अपना दिमाग कि left leg क्योंकि हमने चेयर पे रखा था तो left leg should be straight and right should be bent and coming into the full gate position. चलो जी, अभी सबका दिमाग बहुत अच्छे से चलने लगा है. उमा जी आ जाओ जल्दी से. Cat and cow to Parighasan, full gate everyone. Left leg should be straight because we are working on that leg. हम लेफ्ट पे काम कर रहे हैं, जो पैर चेयर पे रखा था. I said to put your left leg, so your left should be straight, right should be bent. Now again stretch your arms. अभी जाएंगे twisting. So same hand, left palm touching to your right ankle. Okay? चलो आ जाओ वापस. हाँ, doing it dynamically. So bend forward to reach down. नमिता जी face को इधर करो. Turning your body doesn't mean you turn your body towards the camera. 2, 3. With right palm, we are touching the left ankle. May we are doing dynamic. May dynamically. 5, 6. चलो holding time. Hold your ankle. Drop your forearm. और जाओ जो जी नीचे जा सकते हैं. Try to touch your shoulder. Keep going down. Keep going down. All those who are good, try to rest your shoulder. Chali good Rupa ji. Look up and hold. Good Pal ji. Good Devani ji. 1. Suranji, shoulder tak touch करवा सकते हो आराम से. 2. Keep going down. बस 4 लगेगा थोड़ा सा to balance your body there. 3, 4. Good Vijaya. Good Nitya ji. Good Seema ji. 5. Good me. And 6. Inhale, gently come back. Guys, देखिए, when you are doing it other side, so what you have to do? I said first we have done the dynamic stretches. When you are holding maximum forward bend. After that, lock, keep going down. Elbow सभी का आराम से touch हुआ है. To touch your shoulder, you have to increase your forward bend and you have to engage your core. And after locking, again open your chest maximum. Look up or try to stretch your arm as back as possible. Even you can touch it to the other side. So this is the final stretch with shoulder and with chest and with deep twisting. Slowly release. Relax. Chalo ji. Now from here, dropping your same hand, lift your leg, fold it back. And stretch. Keep opening your chest. Look up. Okay? The Ardha Chandra Chap Parighasan. Chalo, take your position. Keep opening and hold it there. Feel the strength in your rested arm. बहुत बढ़िया guys. 1, 2. राजेश्वरी वो वाला हाथ रखो जो लेग फोल्डेड है, वो हाथ पीछे रखा है हमने. 4. Good Ashwini, try to lock. 5. Good, Anid. 6. Newton ji, chest और open करो, body को twist करो like we doing that wild thing, चमत्कार आसन. Good, Lalita ji. 8. बहुत बढ़िया, Mr. Ram. 9. 10. Slowly release and relax. Now the final stretching, the same side. So this is our position, taking your leg in 90 degree. Foot is outside. Okay. Now stretch your arm and start pushing your pelvic down. Chalo. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Chaliye, continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take your pelvic as down. बहुत बढ़िया विभा जी. 6, 7. Good Anu जी. 8. रश्मि जी, हम एक घुटने पर हैं. One knee is rested. Why are you dropping your hip down? Hip कैसे इस पोजीशन में डाउन हो सकता है? 9, 10. चलो, maximum push. Resting your forearm. Stretch your arm. Hold your side stretch. Hold your side stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4. प्रिया जी, हाथ को थाई पे रखना है. 5, 6. अर्ध उत्थित पार्श्व कोणासन. 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly release. Chalo ji. Turning your body. Continue with the sun salutation. Chest down, chin down. Inhale, 7. Exhale, 8. Inhale. Coming closer. 9. First we'll be doing the standing stretch. Now I hope everybody remembers the sequence. ठीक है जी? So we'll just say switch. नीति बाद में करेगी. पहले आप लोग आओगे अपनी अपनी पोजीशन में. चलो, take your first position. Let's start. The movements. 1. Inhale up, exhale down. 2, 3, 4. Guys, we are not releasing the hands. सुपर्णा जी, बार बार हाथ क्यों छोड़ रहे हैं? हाथों को मेंटेन करके रखो वहीं पे. बैक रेस्ट, साइड रेस्ट और द सीट. 5, 6, 7. अश्विनी, आपका नीचे वाला घुटना देखो बेंड हो रहा है. when you are going down, both the knees are straight in this position. 8. The heel is resting, toes are active. 9. प्रिया जी, घुटना सीधा रखो. 10. चलो, very gently inhale, come up, taking your leg little back, kneeling position. चलो चलो, next stretch. That was in kneeling, guys. Adjust your leg. ललिता जी, कहाँ जा रहे हो? कहाँ जा रहे हो? पैर उतार लो जमीन पे. हाँ. Then take your position. चलो, start same stretching up and down. Inhale up, exhale down. 2. Knee straight, बबीता जी. थोड़ा knee bend दिख रहा है. 3, 4, 5, 6. चलिए, holding. Maximum down. Those who are comfortable, try to reach to the legs. Chair की legs तक पहुंच सकते हो आप आराम से. Legs, सुरेंद्र जी, ये hands हैं chair के. हाँ, नीचे तक जाइए. 1. और जाओ, legs तक पहुंचो. हाँ, chair की legs पकड़ो. That's good. 4, 5, 6. Inhale, come up. Now turning your pelvic. Open your pelvic. Holding your big toe. Start with the side stretches. Chalo, locking your big toe and start. With every inhale, stretch your arm. Exhale to the side. Try to drop your elbow in front of the knee. Shall we continue? Good, everyone. 1, 2. Inhale up. Exhale, bend. 3, 4. Your rested hip and knee should be in one line. 5. बहुत बढ़िया. 6. चलिए, holding time, everyone. lock your ankle, open your chest maximum, look up and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Inhale, gently come up. चलिए जी, अभी पैर को हटाएं. Coming down. Now what is the position? As there we need to take the plank and the अष्टांग नमस्कार. So अभी डायरेक्टली यहीं से पैर उठाने के बाद सीधा आए फुल गेट पोजीशन में गाइस. So right leg out, left leg in. Now we holding the final stretch. सभी का right leg straight है, left leg bend. चलो start with the dynamic twisting. 1. निर्मला जी घुटना सीधा. 2. दोनों हाथ ओपन है निर्मला जी. निर्मला जी साइड स्ट्रेच नहीं है, ट्विस्टिंग है. हम खुले पैर की तरफ जा रहे हैं. यस. 4. डोंट बेंड योर नी गाइस, डोंट बेंड योर नी. 5. इनहेल अप, एक्सहेल डाउन. 6. 7. 8. Inhale up, exhale down. 9. Chalo guys, come up. Inhale, final, ready to hold. Devyani ji, hip and knee should be in one line. Chalo, bend forward. हाँ, हल्का सा body weight इधर shoot करिए. Good. Now exhale, going down. Lock your ankle. Drop your arm, drop your shoulder. Now stretch your, yes, relaxed arm as possible. Gyan Mudra, if you can touch your fingers on the floor, wonderful. Stay here, a deep forward, deep twisting, chest opening, also a good core strengthening asana. Stay there. Last 5, 4, keep trying guys, keep trying. 3, Vivaji, hold करिए. बहुत बढ़िया प्रिया जी. 3, good अनु जी. 2, good Jyoti Chauhan. 1, and release. Chalo, again stretch your arms. Fold, lift your leg, fold it. Parighasan. Lock करें ankle को. Open your chest maximum. चलो, keep opening, keep twisting. सीमा जी, साइड सामने से दिखाओ पोजीशन मुझे. सीमा कुलकर्णी. 1. शालिनी गुप्ता, खींचो पैर. How do you take your Vyagrasan? 3, 4. Good. Hold it there. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good May. Good Anit. 10. Slowly release and relax. चलो जी. Taking your leg in, bend your knee. नहीं, अभी वो pelvic push-up. पैर को अंदर लो. हाँ. चलो start everyone. 1, 2, 3. वर्षा जी हाथ ऊपर है हमारे. Stretch your arms up. 4, 5, 6. चलो maximum push. Resting your forearm on your thigh. Stretch your arm. Take a side stretch and hold. Nandini, push more. Your knee and hips are still in one line. Yes, keep pushing. सीधा पैर अंदर लो. बाहर वाला पैर थोड़ा अंदर लीजिए. हाँ. Now push. Yes. 2, 3. Good Nutan ji. Good Vijaya ji. 4. Good Bhargavi ji. 5. Good Shailja ji. Good Ashish ji. 6. Inhale. Gently come up. Turning your body. Coming into Padhastasana. Inhale, Hastothan. Exhale, Pranam Asana. चलो जी, यहाँ से आ जाएं सभी. For the final position, coming into the kneeling position. All those who require a strap and block, you'll be taking one strap and block. Okay? अभी strap का क्या करना है? Especially for those who won't be able to lock their foot. So tie it in one of the feet. Okay, block will be using behind the same foot. So we started from this position. ये अभी किया है हमने. So everybody is comfortable to hold this position. Knee and hip in one line. Another leg, toes outside, 90-degree opening, and the knee is bent. As I said, forward bending, hip opening, and finally the arms and shoulder strengthening. Okay, so this is our beginning position. Now hold your waist and stretch your same hand. The leg which is folded one side, stretch your arm, lengthen your spine. What we are doing it? You take a deep forward bend. After bending forward, take your hand below your thigh. So ये हाथ हम कहाँ लेके जा रहे हैं? Thigh के नीचे. Okay? So take it as down as possible that your thigh rest on your tricep or shoulder. So जितना forward अच्छा होगा, उतना the entry of your hand will be better and it will reach exactly below your thigh. After that, the isometric compression. Thigh will press the tricep, tricep will lock the thigh. So an equal amount of force from both the body part, the body should be locked. और जब lock होगा उसको कैसे पता करोगे कि मेरा body lock हो गया है? That after this position, if you can release your leg on your own. अगर आपका पैर खुद से उठ रहा है इस तरीके से, तो आपका compression बहुत अच्छा है. Because the body has locked, now the other body parts are free to lift and move. Clear? चलिए अभी देखते हैं. So step 1, into this position, stretch your arm, bend forward, taking your hand in, placing your palm exactly behind your foot. तो हाथ अंदर, बहुत बाहर, कहीं नहीं, जहां पैर का पंजा है उसके exactly behind you have to put it. After that, start opening your chest. Maximum opening on your own. Then hold your strap, lift your leg, and the same rotation which we are doing since morning. And look up and hold. Slowly release, and when you are comfortable with lock and strap, you'll be doing the same with your own strength. Inhale, exhale, taking it back, open, let it come up, lock it, and rotate it. Look up and hold. Keep pushing your pelvic backside. Your back, hip, and knee should be in one line. Okay? To release, same, release the rotation, drop it, and come out. Okay? Chalo, take your position, guys. And the asana is Ardha Vishwamitrasana. Chalo ji, take your position. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Exhale, bend forward. Take your tricep below your thigh. Palm should be placed behind your foot exactly. Now feel the compression. Try to release your leg on its own. पैर खुद से उठ रहा है कि नहीं उठ रहा है? हाँ बढ़िया पायल जी. चलो अभी चेस्ट ओपन करो पूरा. Now release your leg, lock it and rotate your shoulder to lift it up. चलिए जी सुपना जी पकड़िए पैर. हाँ lock it and rotate. चलो stay there. Keep pushing your arm. Jyoti Chauhan, body drop हो रही है. What did I say? Knee and hip should be in one line. जो आपका rested knee और hip है वो एक line में रहना चाहिए. चलो गुड आशीष जी, लगाइए थोड़ी strength. गुड अनु जी, ankle hold करने की कोशिश करो. गुड सपना, थोड़ा हाथ ऊपर वाला ये जो बैंड है इसको सीधा करने की कोशिश करो. चलिए keep trying, keep trying. पारुल जी एक बार देखो आपके नी और एल्बो एक दूसरे के ऊपर है. इट शुड बी योर थाई एंड ट्राइसेप. हाँ मिस्टर राम, यू नीड टू टेक योर हैंड मोर इन. गुड दिव्यानी जी, थोड़ा बॉडी वेट शिफ्ट करो पीछे. गुड पायल जी, गुड जननी, गुड सोनी. अभी पैर सीधा होना चाहिए. लास्ट 5. हाँ मलिका जी स्ट्रैप पकड़िए, देन उठाइए. बस बढ़िया. एंड रोटेट रोटेट. अभी अच्छा है फर्स्ट टाइम के लिए. इट्स वेरी गुड. गुड बीनू जी. 3. Jolly good, Neha. 2. Mr. Ram, you have to lock your leg with a strap. 3, बहुत बढ़िया विभा जी, हल्का सा बॉडी वेट पीछे शिफ्ट करो, चलिए गुड ट्राई प्रिया जी, 2 and 1, slowly release and relax, बहुत बढ़िया उमा जी, very gently release, come out, leg change, side change, guys it requires forward bend. Why? To take your thigh and tricep below each other. It requires shoulder opening and rotation. Why? To bring your chest maximum outside. It requires arm strength because your body is lifted on that rested arm. Okay? Chalo, take your position. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Exhale, bending forward, maximum niche. Taking your thigh below above your tricep. Seema ji, if you are using this way, try to keep the lock of your belt very strong. चलिए, inhale, lift up. बेल्ट आपने थोड़ा दूर से पकड़ा है, कोशिश करो थोड़ा नजदीक से पकड़ने की. Last 5, 4, Lalita ji, hold the belt a little down. The leg has not come up. 3, Parul ji, keep trying lifting. बहुत बढ़िया विभा जी. 2, good Priya ji, keep trying. 1, good Babita ji, keep trying. And relax, slowly release and relax, relax, relax. In the final position, the elbows are not straight. They are bent. They are at 90 degrees. Okay? So if you trying to straight your elbow, so it is not the requirement of this position. This is our initial position. Stretch, bend, and lock. And if you are able to open your chest, it is very easy without lifting your leg. First, open your body here. After that, either release it on its own or lock it. When you lock and then when you lift, it becomes little challenging to open your chest again. So first, let it lift, lock, and rotate. See, the upper elbow is at 90 and then look up. Okay? Because first time when you are attempting any asana, you have to focus on so many things. And even if you miss out one point, you will always feel yourself weaker at that point. ठीक है जी? तो हर जगह पे ध्यान रखना है और जहां आप मिस कर रहे हो वहीं पे आपका जो पोस्चर है वो थोड़ा सा ड्रॉप हो जाएगा. So make sure with awareness about your forward bending, the arm strengthening, the shoulder rotation and the chest opening, and finally it's all about the strength and balancing. Okay? चलिए जी. So हाँ जी, Safia, the name is Ardha Vishwamitra. Okay?